kayo ang nag-decide kung i-review ba to o hindi, and you agreed to it. So thank you nga rin pala sa Sapphire Fragrances sa pagpapadala sa akin ito. I usually buy my fragrances na nire-review ko, but yeah, thank you for this one. But still, magiging honest pa rin tayo sa pag-review dito. Let's go. So umpisa na agad natin to sa favorite ng lahat ngayon, which is the Ultra Male. And by the way, thoughts lang sa bottle, I really like it. It looks too elegant, presentable. I really like this wood cup. Hindi siya totoong wood, pero I really like it. And also, look at that. Meron siyang accord breakdown sa side. But yeah, tama naman siguro. Vanilla, fruity, sweet, aromatic, cinnamon, warm spicy, fresh spicy, powdery, lavender, and amber. So far, it's the Ultra Male accords. It's good. So, tas agad natin to. Dalawa lang. Ooh. Sorry, Mike. Air scent pa lang, naamoy ko na agad yung Ultra Male niya. So far, okay. For this one, andun yung peary na opening niya. Andun din yung minty lavender niya. Kaso, for this one, medyo strong yung bergamot scent niya. But it's not in a bad way. It's kinda in a good way. The thing is, nagiging citrusy siya upon opening. Pero, habang tumatagal, nawawala eh. Parang it's more on that Ultra Male set na talaga. I like it. It's not that good compared to other Ultra Males, pero this one okay na. Medyo strong na talaga yung bergamot set niya. Masabi ko medyo strong lang talaga. Next, Aventus. Anyways, na-curious lang ako bakit kulay blue yung Aventus nila. I'm just wondering why. Pero blue yung Aventus nila. So let's test this out agad. Sorry. Ang tapang na ng synthetic. Okay. Layo. Okay. This one, ang layo ng Aventus sobra. I've smelled a lot of Aventus cologne inspired. And so far, opening, sobrang layo. It's my first time smelling this one. Sobrang layo. Pero naamoy ko na habang tumatagal, medyo leaning towards dun siya sa Aventus DNA. Pero sa opening, sobrang layo par. Pero, I don't know. There's something to it na medyo nagiging sweet Aventus siya. Yun ang comment ko dun. It's becoming a sweet Aventus. Parang mas fruitier version ni Aventus. Much wearable siguro sa mga bata. Pero hindi siya yung parang Aventus na Aventus Creed talaga na alam mong mature, classy smell. This one is more fruitier. Maybe mas wearable sa mga teens, mga bata. But yeah, so far it's good pero hindi siya ganoon kalapit sa OG na Aventus. And syempre sa favorite ko, Eros. I have a very high hopes dito pare. Let's do it. I hope maging maganda sana to. Okay. Yeah. Sabi na eh. Akala ko pag nirest ko siya, magiging Eros talaga siya. And so far, this one smells like those typical Eros-inspired na fragrances. So, it's a meh for me. Sorry. It's a meh for me. It's too minty, it's too citrusy, it's too generic Eros scent. Maybe sa iba gusto nila to, pero sa akin hindi. Because I'm looking for that vanilla scent eh. Pero, this one, wala. So yun lang muna, this 3 lang muna yung i-review natin. If you want part 2, then like the video. Pero let's see. Pag umabot siguro ng 100 likes, let's make part 2. Pero comments, Ultra Male, medyo citrusy talaga yung opening niya. I think ginawa na rin yun para maging wearable sa arawan. I think so. Eros, malayo, sobrang off. It's the generic Eros inspired scent. I don't like it. Aventus. Sa Aventus, medyo nagustuhan ko siya. Kasi medyo parang fruitier version siya ng typical Aventus inspired. Medyo synthetic yung pagka-opening niya, pero when it dries down, medyo andun yung Eros DNA, but it becomes more fruitier and it becomes more sweeter, kumbaga. So, I think mas magugustuhan to and mas magiging wearable siya when it comes to the age group ng teens to early 20s. Kasi usually, yun yung mga bumibili ng mga inspired. But, yeah, so far, comments ko lang dito. Si Aventus yung pinakagusto ko. I'm not really a fan of that Eros talaga. But yeah, Ultramail, bearable. Pero Aventus talaga pinakagusto ko. And yeah, by the way, baka may magtanong, kamusta naman yung projection and longevity niya? Kakatry ko lang siya ngayon. So, wala pa akong projection and longevity. Maybe I'll make SOTD on this one. Since medyo nagustuhan ko yung Aventus nila. I really like their version of Aventus. So, maybe mamaya or bukas kan yung SOTD. But yeah, yun lang. Peace!